Hey everyone, let's make a track with this pack. Let's start by looking for a nice song starter synth loop. Oh yes, this is perfect. Sometimes Ableton misjudges the native tempo of a sample. Thankfully, all we need to do is to enter the known tempo of the sample and all is well. Much better. We're gonna use the first half of this sample because the second half changes a bit. We're duplicating it, then choosing an intro piece. Next, we're adding a kick, then let's find a nice percussion loop. This is perfect. We're gonna use the Beats algorithm's transient shaper to make this loop fit with the rest of the track. Let's dial it in slowly. Right there. Let's find a nice, sustained sound. Perfect. We have to fix the native tempo again. This happens a lot with Ableton. Thankfully, all of our samples include tempo and pitch information, so this will never be an issue for you. Let's transpose to match the synth sample. I'm particularly interested in this note change. Highlighting the section, then consolidating. Now here's the cool part. Hover at the edge of the clip and hold Shift. This will enable you to stretch your sample easily. Adding a few effects. Now let's automate erosion's frequency parameter to create that atmospheric feel. While fine-tuning the amount, I'm realizing that the beats warping mode may not work here. Yeah, that's why. Let's switch to Complex Pro. Much better. Finally, a forest floor reverb to push this in the background. Drums to new MIDI on the synth loop and use that groove to make a bass line. Replacing the drum rack with a bass patch. Now let's find the right pattern. Nope. Yes, this one is on point. Except this one note is a bit late for the groove, so we'll turn it off. The last step is to dial in some short, plucky envelope.